Hello, all Crypto Rocket friends. Welcome to another exciting video about the world of cryptocurrencies. The secret of crypto arbitrage, how to win without being a cryptocurrency expert. Welcome to this video in which we will learn about the exciting world of crypto arbitrage. This video is designed especially for beginners who do not have much experience in the world of cryptocurrency. We'll start with a simple definition. Crypto arbitrage is a method of investing in cryptocurrencies that consists of buying low and selling high on different exchange platforms. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to ensure secure transactions. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies on the market, each with its own value. Crypto arbitrage takes advantage of the price differences that exist between different cryptocurrency exchange platforms to obtain benefits. For example, if a cryptocurrency sells for $100 on one platform and $105 on another, an investor could buy it on the first and sell it on the second, thus making a profit of $5. You don't need to be a cryptocurrency expert to perform crypto arbitrage. All you need is to have a basic understanding of how cryptocurrencies and exchange platforms work. Even if you are a beginner, you can start doing crypto arbitrage by following some basic steps. If you want to learn more about arbitration in cryptocurrencies in the description of this video, we will leave a link with a course in more detail so that you can learn much more and achieve your objectives faster. The first step is to register on several cryptocurrency exchange platforms. This will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on different markets. Once you are registered, you must deposit the money you plan to invest. Make sure you diversify your investments between different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. The next step is to start looking for price differences between the different platforms. This can be done manually or using specialized software tools. When you find a price difference that allows you to make a profit, you must act quickly and complete the transaction. It is important to note that crypto arbitrage is not without risks. Cryptocurrency prices are very volatile and can change quickly. Additionally, there are also risks associated with transactions and exchange platforms. Some may charge high commissions, which can reduce your profits. Therefore, it is crucial that you do your research before investing and are willing to take on some level of risk. However, if done correctly, crypto arbitrage can provide a good source of passive income. Now, for those who wish to minimize the time and effort invested, there are crypto arbitrage bots that can perform these operations automatically. These bots are designed to analyze cryptocurrency prices on different platforms and carry out arbitrage transactions when they detect profit opportunities. These bots can be an excellent tool for those who are starting out in the world of crypto arbitrage. However, it is important to remember that, as with any form of investment, using bots does not guarantee profits and still carries risks. In short, crypto arbitrage is a cryptocurrency investment method that can be done by beginners with a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies. If done correctly, it can provide a good source of passive income. However, it also carries certain risks. As always, it is essential to do your research and make informed investment decisions. And remember, never invest more than you are willing to lose. We hope this video has provided you with a useful insight into the world of crypto arbitrage. Good luck on your cryptocurrency investment journey. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on cryptocurrencies and finances. Feel free to leave your questions and comments in the comments section. Until next time. That's all for today, friends of Crypto Rocket. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency-related content.